Are you tired of stubborn grease on your pans and ovens? Today, we will show you how to bring back that brand new shine with our powerful grease remover, Klinspot-K9. So, let's get started. First, heat up the pan or oven to around 50 degrees Celsius. Once it's warm, turn off the flame. This gentle heat helps loosen the grease, making it easier to clean. Next, apply a generous amount of the cleaner. You can either spray or pour it directly onto the surface. Make sure it covers all those stubborn, greasy spots. Let it sit for a couple of minutes. This time allows the product to break down that tough, sticky grease. Perfect time to grab a quick break. Now, take a brown scrubbing pad and start scrubbing the surface. Use gentle, circular motions to lift the grease and grime. If the cleaner starts drying out because of the heat, there's no need to apply more. Simply spray a bit of water and keep scrubbing. It'll reactivate the cleaner and make it easier to work with. Once you're done scrubbing, rinse the pan or oven thoroughly with water. You might need to rinse it 2-3 times to remove all the cleaner and leftover grease. And for that final touch, wipe it down with a cloth to reveal a gleaming, grease-free surface. Look at that shine. Just like that, your pans and ovens are back to their original shine. No more greasy mess. Try it out and see the difference for yourself. For best results, follow all steps carefully. Alpha Products. Prefer the brand that really works.